We'll guide you through how to glow wireframe on Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap Blender to open it and begin a new project. Select the default cube and the light in the scene. Then remove both objects so you have a clean workspace to build in. Press Shift and A, open the Mesh menu, and add a monkey object to the project. After the monkey appears, press Shift and D to duplicate it, creating a second copy. Next, move to the Geometry Nodes workspace by clicking the Geometry Nodes tab at the top of the interface. Once you are there, create a new node setup by adding new nodes to the project. Press Shift and A, search for the Mesh to Curve node, and place it into the node panel. Repeat the same process to add the Curve to Mesh node, the Curve Circle node, the Math node, the Map Range node, and the Set Material node. Arrange the Mesh to Curve, Curve to Mesh, and Set Material nodes between the default base nodes so the network follows a logical flow. Then enable the Fill Caps option on the Curve to Mesh node. After that, connect the output of the Map Range node to the Radius input on the Curve Circle node. Connect the Curve output from the Curve Circle node to the Profile Curve input on the Curve to Mesh node. Set the value setting on the Map Range node to 0.01 and change the max value to 0.4. When the node setup is complete, open the side menu and locate the Material section. In the Material settings, adjust the surface color to any color you prefer. Then configure the emission color and increase the emission strength to make the effect visible. Go to the Set Material and select the material to the material we made earlier. Once everything has been configured, switch to Rendered View to test the result. If all steps were followed correctly, the object should display a bright glowing appearance, allowing you to see the emission effect clearly and confirming that the geometry node setup and material settings were applied successfully. You can further orbit around the model and inspect it from different angles to verify the glow remains consistent throughout rendering.